Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are on tutorial number 9 on the palette focus of Pat McGrath Divine Rose 1 Mothership palette. So I have done, now going on to 9 looks obviously. I am very curious as to what I want to do. I think I just might do a matte look, maybe. We shall see. But for 9 looks, I mean, there's really not that much indentation thus far. But yeah, I mean, I'm quite excited. I mean, these definitely do last quite a while. I think I need to stop buying some makeup. We shall see. But I think today for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use the concealer. I have LM14 and LM15, so I'm not too sure what I want to do. But that is going to be for foundation today. Let me go ahead and prep my eyes. Going to try to do more of a simple look. I'm not a big fan of warms on me strictly because we'll see how warm this gets. But I think I might just do that all over the lid, smoke it out, and maybe do the extreme black eyeliner or the eyeshadow and just smudge it out just to give a really smoky look, because I really want to give the matte a moment. And as you can tell, like, it's sunny, then it gets this overcast, so it is that time of the year. It's deciding if it wants to be spring, summer, winter, fall, autumn, all the above, all in between. If we're gonna have a tsunami, I don't know. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes with the Pro Filter eyeshadow primer by Fenty. So we will get into it, and I'll see you guys in a moment. Alright, so eyes are prepped and prime, and we are going to get into this. So let me go ahead and go in with that brown. Going in with kind of like a fluffy-ish brush. Fluffy-ish. I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to tap it really close to the lash line. And I'm going to start closer to the, you know what, let me go to my handy dandy flat brush and just really begin to just pat it on, pat, all the way up, literally just keeping it right on the eyelid, like that. Keeping it very cash today. Well, I start off casual, but then I tend to end up amping it some way, shape, or form. Perfect. Just getting up there, getting higher. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with more of a fluffier brush and just begin to blend out more of the outskirts of what I just put down, and just really begin to create more of a moody type of look. And then I think for the brow, I don't know, I'll do something for the brow bone once we get there. So this is with that brown. Ooh, that actually is really nice. And then just begin to I was gonna add more, but I think this is fine because it's been a while since I've actually done a full-on matte moment. Going in with the fluffy brush and just actually dip in a little bit into the, just to really get the outer wing, outer V going. Just add a little bit more depth on the outskirts, just like that. Alley-oop, and in. Perfect. Let me go and do the other sister, and we'll be right back. All right, so this is where we are at. I mean, it's matte. I don't expect it to be like bam, but I think for the brow bone, let us go in with see that VR duochrome one. just to have a little bit of that pinky peach rose vibe going on. Perfect. Oh, this color just reminds me so much of a sunset for some reason. A sunset or a sunrise. Oh, it's just so beaming. Shine bright, shine bright. All right, all right. Going back in to just emphasize a little bit more of the outer V. Yup. Okay. Oh, I think my allergies are kicking in again. Oh. But the great thing about her mats, where you really start to layer it, it really starts to deepen a little bit more regardless. So you really already have that transition. I went ahead and lined my eyes with a little bit of the Extreme Black PMGL. And now I'm gonna go in with Extreme Black with a liner brush and literally just right along the lash line. Just really start to bring in a little bit of that smokiness. And yeah, there's the sun again. I'm really connecting it into the waterline. And going in with more of that smudger brush and just begin to smoke it out. I wouldn't mind going in with the Extreme Black, but I just want a hint of a smoky. Ooh. Oh, there she is. Ooh, there it is. Oh, perfect. So let me go do the other eye and then we will continue. Alright, so this is where we are at. And I'm actually really liking this. Like, it's been a while since I've done a just full-on matte on the eyelid, but it's just giving me, ooh, look at that. Yeah, it's raining or hail, snow. It's trying to decide. But yeah, I went ahead and just brought the Extreme Black on the bottom, Dark Star Mascara. I love how it's popping out my brown eyes. But I think for the corner, I really am gonna go into that duochrome and just pop it, blop blop, bloop bloop, right there. On both sides to really get into and just really start to blend it into the matte, up into the brow bone. So there's a little bit more of that cohesiveness. But yeah, probably should do more of a series of using like that color. Oh, love it. All right, let me go do the rest of my face and we will see the final look in a moment. All right, so here is the final look of tutorial number 9. So, I mean, I really am digging this look. It's very smoky, very sultry. For a highlighter, I forgot what video, but I went ahead and actually combined these two to really give more of that highlight effect. Divine Rose blush. Lips are going to be the Supermodel by Charlotte Tilbury and Pale Fire Nectar Opulous Gloss. I really love the gloss formula. I want more of it. Brows is still Benefit. Give me brow 4.5. I think I might change that here. I might change my brow situation here pretty soon because it's about to run out. And I just really don't want to do more of I love Benefit, but I need to use up my other brow products that I have from Becca still. But yeah, this is the final look. Where is the brush I am looking for? Here it is. Using more of just the matte. I mean, it's just so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Giving a really good matte moment. Giving that, oh, sultriness. And I mean, for the first neutral palette of the motherships, when this was released, was like the first neutral palette. Yeah, you can tell the sun's coming back out. It was like the most boring yet something that you could use every day type of palette, and I'm actually glad I have it, because depending how you layer it, depending how you use it, you can really make it very va-va-voom or very smoky, or even just like a hint of something. I might do one more video, maybe focusing on this matte, strictly that one, maybe, we'll see. But yeah, tutorial number 9, really love it. For foundation, I am wearing LM15. I feel like I'm being way too critical, like it looks really yellow. I don't know if you guys could tell. Yeah, that is my texture. LM14 is like my exact shade, but it is sold out on the Douglas website, and it's still sold out on the Pat McGrath website. So I'm like, should I go 15 or should I go a shade lighter? I don't know, but I have too many foundations. I should not even be playing with that idea right now, but kind of want to do like a full face of Pat McGrath and a full face of Charlotte Tilbury, but more for males, of how I would do it on men. We shall see. I mean, I feel like I'm really yellow. I think I'm just being way too critical. I mean, compared to my shoulder, do I look yellow? Because LM15 is considered a neutral golden shade, so I don't know how neutral and golden it really goes, where 16 is peach, 17 is a neutral peach, I think, and 18 is a neutral olive. 14 is that neutral olive. So I'm like, maybe for videos, I don't know. No. But yeah, number 9, hope you guys like it. Really doing a smoky moment. Yeah, I mean, if you guys do have this palette, pull it out, play with it a little bit more. I did 9 looks for you guys. Let's get it together. So I think I may do one more, we shall see, but this is most likely the end of this palette focus, Divine Rose. And I'm really happy I finally dove into this palette, because yeah, it's just something I would not expect to create these really cool looks that I created. So as usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edit of everything, and I will see you guys in the next video.